Have you ever used Microsoft Publisher to create professional publications?
Yes, I have. It's a great tool for creating flyers, newsletters, and brochures.
What makes it better than other desktop publishing software?
Publisher shines in the ease of picture placement and text wrapping. It also has a wide range of pre-made templates that you can use to create professional-looking publications.
That sounds great. Can you give me an example of how it can be used?
Sure. Let's say you're creating a newsletter for your company. You can use Publisher to add pictures and text, and then use the text wrapping feature to wrap the text around the pictures. This creates a professional-looking layout that's easy to read.
That's really useful. What other features does Publisher have?
Publisher has a wide range of tools that you can use to enhance your publication. You can add shapes, change the font and color of your text, and even create your own templates to use in the future.
Wow, I had no idea Publisher was so versatile. How can I learn more about it?
iLet Solutions offers online courses and tutorials that can help you learn more about Publisher. You can also explore the tools within the ribbon to see what works best for you.